Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share the July Sew Sampler Box. I'm super excited to take a look at this box. I love all of the Fat Quarter Shop Sew Sampler boxes, and just want to remind you that they have a lot of these boxes are now available that you can just purchase the box by itself without doing the subscription. You can still get in on the subscription, but they also will have a link where they also have some extra boxes left over from previous months that you can just get those boxes individually. So let's go ahead and look at this month's box. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up the July box. And Summer Soiree is the title of this month's box. I love that title, and it actually fits perfectly with the fabric that's included. Remember, if you do get these boxes, to look on the back of the cover card, because Fat Quarter Shop always has a promo code that you can use for different products. Okay, this is just the little pamphlet that talks about everything that's included. There is a fun Jolly Bar pattern included. This is the Berrylicious quilt, and it finishes at 64.5 by 64.5. It's a really fun star quilt. There they have included the Flag Day tumbler template, which is a really nice size template that's sized to use with charm squares. And so because Jolly Bars and layer cakes, you can also use this with that easily. The fabric is a Jolly Bar, and I'm just going to open it up. It's my friend April's fabric, April Rosenthal. She's a fellow Moda designer, and her collection is called Berry Baskets. And it's very bright and summery. I'm just going to flip through these fabrics for you. Just gorgeous, gorgeous prints. Two of that one, a tone on tone. These strawberries and blueberries, how fun are those? I'm gonna have to definitely make something with this collection. A little hexagon print, a diagonal plaid, more berries, cute little flowers. So there's lots of colors in this collection too. Really fun. Love the red and the blue. Just a really fun, very summery collection. And these Jolly Bars are very, very useful because you can, a lot of charm pack projects, this is basically like 2 charm packs. So you can do a lot with it. Okay, I'll just finish flipping through. And one more. Yep. So really, really fun collection from April. There is also a pattern in here that they have you use the Flag Day tumbler template, and it is this fruit punch quilt pattern. And the pattern is by Susan Aki, and this ruler was also designed for Susan because the Flag Day quilt is in Susan's book. So they had Susan design a small pattern that could also be used with that ruler from her book. So it's super cute in these fabrics, and it works with the Jolly Bar. And just, I don't think I mentioned it before, a Jolly Bar is composed of 5-inch by 10-inch strips. So lots of those. Okay, just a couple more things in the box. This June Taylor Strippy Zipper Pouch Kit is super cute. They also have on the cover, they have it made up in April's fabrics, but it has everything that you need. The zipper is even included, and the pattern, and there is interfacing. I think what it is it's a sew on the line stabilizer. So it really helps you if you're not familiar with making bag patterns. That it's very helpful because you can actually sew on the lines that are printed on the stabilizer that you probably fuse to the fabric. And then love that the zipper is included, and then it also says there's a video link that you can watch a video. So I'm definitely going to be making this. There is also a magnetic pickup tool So really great idea. It's not just useful in the sewing room, but also it says for your office, for fishing, and for tech. So it'll pick up anything magnetic. It says it will pick up 100 straight pins at a time, a no-touch pickup and release. So I'm definitely going to be trying this out. And then last but not least is this month's Pressed Flowers block. This is the quilt that they're doing for the whole year, and this is block number 4, and I haven't started mine yet because I was waiting to get our strawberry lemonade fabric. I think this is going to be really cute in that fabric, so I've got to get working on that now that I've got the fabric, and they've released 4 patterns. So really just another wonderful box from Fat Quarter Shop. Okay, so that's it for the July Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. Another wonderful box, and I cannot wait actually to make that zipper pouch, that pattern that's included. I will be making it with our strawberry lemonade fabrics, but really excited to get that made and for all of the other wonderful fun things in this month's box. We'll have the link where you can find any of the items that are available separately, and also the link for the subscription and the extra boxes. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.